नारायण हरि ओम। Let's start with Mangalacharan. I'll see. I'll check. Om Shukulam Brahma Vicharasar Paramam Adyam Jagat Vyapini Veena Pustak Dharini Bhayadam Jagya Andhkarapaham हस्ते स्फाटिक मालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम् येनाक्षरसमाम्नाय अधिगम्यो महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीये प्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम् ऐ ॐ ह्रीं ऐ ॐ ऐ औ छायावार लण यमननं जपय घड़दश जगदश खपचतथौ कपय हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि ओम महाराज ओम 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 ओम
ये
भिक्षा आप कल बहुत ज्यादा रख गए हो हैं? आप अपने लिए थोड़ा भिक्षा बचा ले, सारे भिक्षा हमें ना दे महाराज।
आप उठ सकते थोड़े?
हाँ क्यों नहीं। अच्छा आज माल कुछ अनोखा लग रहा है मुझे।
थोड़ा मेरे लिए रखना थोड़ा।
अच्छा आज वो डब्बे में नहीं गए क्या? अच्छा अच्छा वैसे डब्बा था ना आपके पास वो?
हाँ
ठीक। क्या है इसमें? एक ये आवटी है क्या?
दोनों मिलकर
आवटी है ना? क्या है?
वो दूध की खीर है।
वो नहीं चाहिए, वो आप ले जाओ। खीर आप लो।
मुझे ना पता क्या है, वो फिरोज हो गया अंदर।
कर लिया मैंने। वो सुगंध ले लिया, वो आप पाइए। इसमें से देना है ना? दोनों का है ना?
आधे से ऊपर लेना।
आधे से ऊपर बड़ा है। आप तो खा लेंगे, हम तो खा ही नहीं पाते।
लाइव नहीं नहीं
मुझे भी याद नहीं था।
कपाई शशसर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि आई उन रिलिक ए ओम
खा सकता हूँ।
आई आउच हायावारत लन यामागानानम जबैंज गददश जबगददश खापा छतता छतताऊ कपाई Shashasar Hal Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani.
Sorry, Shama. I don't have any other option actually.
Shama Guruji Shama.
Hmm?
Shama Guruji Shama. That means excuse me. No?
Huh?
Sorry, excuse me. Huh, Guruji? Right?
Yeah. Okay. So, you tried Dot Pratyahara?
Yes, I did it.
Have you
I
tried?
wrote it,
Not
but
tried.
what I did, you told me not to do the it, but I put the it for my convenience. I know the it not supposed to be there,
Okay.
but I put it for my convenience because in that way I know it's finished. I didn't leave it halfway.
Let's see.
I did it in my book, Guruji.
Wait, I just see. Is this book?
Huh?
Is this book? Or this is notebook?
I did it. You told me to write it, no?
Wait,
Before you did.
let me take. Oh, it's here. Pratyahara. Pratyaharana.
What it's supposed to be?
Where did you copy this one?
The book. This book here.
Okay, let me check. So you completed taking the help of book
Yeah,
all the time, or
all the time. I didn't want to do it long.
not even a single pratyahara? At least you could have tried 2, 3 or 4 by itself.
I didn't want to do it long. Because what I have to do now, although I was saying it, Guruji, although I was saying it, now I'm trying to recognize which one goes with which one. So I'll know.
No, then there is no use to see this.
Why are you saying like
No,
that,
no.
Guruji?
I give you something now, and at least you try 1 or 2 here. You remember this 14th Maheshwar Sutra?
Okay.
No, I'm asking.
Yeah, I can say it, but I can't write.
No, why you can say only? Okay, chant this. First chant all sutras, 14 sutra.
Ayun,
Okay.
Rilik,
Hmm.
Eong, I out, Hayawarat,
Hmm.
Lan,
Hmm.
Nyamangananam,
Hmm.
Jabanj,
Hmm.
Ka pa cha ta ta cha
No,
ta
no,
ta.
after Zabain Ghada dash.
Gadadash, Jaba Gadadash.
Hmm.
Ka pa cha ta ta cha ta tao.
Hmm. Hmm.
Cha ta tao.
Hmm.
I can't remember the other one, but I usually say Kap Kapai Shashasar Hal.
Hmm.
Yeah. Lan Yama Mananam Jabain
Hmm.
Garadash Jaba Garadash Kapa Chatata Chatatao Kapai Shashasar Hal.
This is the basic thing actually. If we are not even, we don't remember these, the person is not.
Yeah, but
This
I
is the basic eligibility at least. We should memorize these 14 Maheshwar Sutra at least. Then what is the use of studying Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi?
no Guruji, but only as now I
No. See,
now I'm starting to write
these
it.
14 Sutra, this is the basic requirement to study Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi.
Yeah.
Before that, you can't study Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Let's have a leave today.
No.
No, you complete it first.
No.
How can
no.
we proceed?
No, because
No, at least this 14 should be, you should remember, no?
yeah, but I'm not going to be able to memorize it one day. I have to do it
No.
at least for a week or two.
How many days we have started this Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi?
A week, 2 weeks?
Huh? About a week now? Around a week?
Yeah.
At least 5-6 days? At
Yeah.
least?
But I could say it, but I couldn't write it. Now I know that it's important to write it because
No, you have not even chanted right now.
yeah. I
Close the book. Close the book.
I
Close this one also. Chant.
Ion,
Okay.
Ion, Rilik,
Hmm.
Aon,
Hmm.
I out, Hayavarat,
Hmm.
Lan,
Hmm.
Yamangananam,
Hmm.
Jabain,
Hmm.
Garadash,
Hmm.
Jabagaradash,
Hmm.
Kapacha Tata, Chatatau,
Hmm.
Kapai,
Hmm.
Shashasar,
Hmm.
Hal,
Then what is the problem? You remember this one?
Iti Maheshwara.
No, you know actually. Then what is the problem without seeing the book?
Writing it is
No.
the problem.
No, write you. You write this one. Chava. You make this. You construct this. Yeah, this. Construct this without seeing in the book. Construct it. Otherwise, I have some that beating road is there actually. You know, na, for punishment, some rods would be
So
there
I
like
am.
this. Yeah, try. Try this, Pratyar. No excuse.
Haya,
Think over it.
ha,
Map it in your mind.
ha. That's what I have to learn to do now. Haya, warat. Ha, ya, wa, rat, lan. Jabanj, ja, ha, jaban. Gadadash, ga, dha, dash, jabagadadash, ja, ba, ga, da, dash, da, jabagadadash.
Make this pratyahar also.
Ka. Cha.
Make this.
Cha. Tha. Thou. I did it, Guruji.
You have constructed?
Yeah, but the letters I.
No, construct all these three also.
So one is. Then I have.
I'm hardly finding 1 hour actually. You know this? And if you are not putting the effort in this, then there is no use.
No, at the beginning because I have to find myself grounding, no?
You do what you want to do.
No, Guruji, I have to find myself grounding. What is relic? Yeah. Kapai, kai. Ka. Cha. Kapa, cha. Tau. Kapa, cha, tau. Sha. Sar. Sar. Ayun Wiluk, Aom, I ouch, Hayrat, Lan. Ayun Wiluk, Aom, I ouch, Hayrat, Lan.
If you create these properly, then class will be running today. Otherwise, there would be a leave today.
Why, Guruji?
If you are doing this properly, then class would be running. If you are not doing, you are doing it wrong, then you have to practice it. Either you sit here, you sit in your room, you sit in the bank of the Ganga. You have to practice, and practice. No excuse about the practicing.
Kapa, cha, ta, kapai. And then she said, I am relocating my house. Hi, yeah, wa, ra, ayora, ja, ya, ma, no, gadadash, ga, ga,
Oh, then there is no use to
ra,
say.
dash,
I give you something now, and at least you try one or
Baba,
two here.
Java,
You remember this 14th Mysore Sutra? Oh, I'm asking. No, why you can say? Okay, chant this. Chant. First chant what?
Java, dash, sha, sad, kapai. I finish Gurji,
Yeah,
but
show me.
I make a round.
Show me.
This round.
Oh, you can sit there. Just give it. It's okay. I'll sit. I asked you this one actually.
That's the top
So
one.
you have completed this one?
The top one. Not the top of the book. The top in the set that I did. Not of the 42. Well, it's written in the margin. Relic. A-O. I-ouch. Cha. I-ouch. Hayawarat. 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 Ta. Hayawarat. Lan. Nyamang. Nyamangananam. Jabanj. Jabanj. I write Jabanj wrong. Jabanj. Gadadash. Gadadash.
All the time, why you are putting this last letter and then doing it as a you're making a circle out of it? Why? What is the use of that?
Because I know that it's end there. For
No,
my
you should know in your mind now. Why are you writing in the book? Come, this is wrong.
I know
This one, the first one.
Jabanj is wrong.
You tell me. This is the first one, na?
Yeah.
This should be right like this, okay? Now you tell me. What all letters are there in this?
It's a how.
These one, or these one? Which one?
These
These
all
one?
the way till the-
How can this ha come, ya come, va come in this?
because it's it's how
It's a cha.
Oh, I don't write cha like that, Guruji. I thought it's a ha.
How do you write this? Ha is like this.
So I thought
Cha is like this. Either this or this. But something is coming like something is.
I thought it's a how.
Not
Ha.
sure.
So that's right. Hayawara.
No. See,
Sorry.
this is there, na? See, this. So accordingly, you have to create this one, and you don't need to put it like this. You don't take it too up. Just you have to just take it like till now. Not like this. Got it?
Yeah.
Only
Okay.
not like go up. This one I'm talking, okay? Anyway, practice actually. More practice required, because if you are not able to construct these pratyahara, na, nothing gonna happen in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi.
I will do it, Guruji.
These are the basic thing actually for Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, because later we have to do lot of implementation by taking these pratyahara. Okay, let's start the next sutra. उकालो झर्ष दीर्घ प्लुतः
Ukalo Jirshadig
प्लुतः
Lutaha.
उकालो अज झर्ष दीर्घ प्लुतः. See, it is like this. I write it. Don't worry. Ukalo. Just I'm breaking it down just so that you can pronounce it. Okay.
Ukalo.
Yeah, so that you can pronounce like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then it is like this. That also I can break, but because this is not jha, this is ha. But after applying few sandhi rules, it became jha. But you should pronounce it jha only. That's what I have written here, jha. Breaking just because so that you can pronounce it, but not changing.
So that's the one that's written in the book? Kalo. Ach.
Can you pronounce it now?
Yeah. Ukalo. Ach.
Aj.
Aj.
Hmm.
Jashwa. Jashwadir.
Jharsh dirgha
Dirga. Dirga.
plutah.
Lutaha. Is that a la?
Plutah. Pa.
Pa.
Hmm.
Plutaha.
Hmm.
Plutaha.
And if we remove the sandhi rule from here, then it will become like this. I am writing now. For pronouncing purpose, you should pronounce it like this. Ukalo jarshudirg plutaha, like this. Ukalo jarshudirg plutaha, ukalo jarshudirg plutaha, ukalo jarshudirg plutaha. You should pronounce it right, like this. Can you pronounce it now?
Ukalo Jusha.
Ukalo
Ach.
jarshudirg plutaha.
Jarshadirga Plutaha. Jarshadirga Plutaha.
But in actual form, it is like that.
This is the form in the book, no?
Yeah, this is the form in the book.
But there is another letter up there, Guruji.
Which one? Kind of this. You are talking about this. See here. See here, at least you should know the synchronization, when to see on the board and when to see on the board. This, you're talking about this?
Yeah.
This one is A, no?
Yeah. Yes, you're right.
Kalo, and then it is Ach.
Okalo, Ach.
Ash. This is the actual form. And this is Prathama Ekvachan. This is Prathama Ekvachan. And this is also Prathama Ekvachan. This A become this Avagra Chin. This is called Avagra Chin.
So the black one is the original one, no? Guruji?
Yeah.
And
You will
then-
not understand it in Hindi, so you can write it. It is like this. Avagra. We call it Avagra.
Aragra.
And this is equal to A.
Which one is Kala Aragraha, the red one?
No, this is Avagra, no this.
Oh, the
This S.
Uh-huh.
This S is called Avagraha. And it is equal to A. When you pronounce this Avagraha, it will be pronounced as A.
Uh-huh.
After Panini ji, few grammarians started to use this Avagraha. After Panini ji. Panini ji have never used this one.
Oh, he never.
After Panini ji,
Uh-huh.
it came in the tradition.
Okay.
But
the
it is,
other-
but it's very much common now in Shastra.
Yeah.
You
I
will see
noticed.
everywhere this.
Yeah, I noticed.
So at least you should know how to pronounce it. This is A.
So this is 1 to 5. What the number is 1 to 7. Guruji, 1 to 7 is the number?
The sutra number you are looking for?
Uh-huh.
1 to 27. This is 1
1
to
to
27.
Okay, yes.
So what exactly this sutra want to say that is there are 3 types of length. Even when you say when you count 1, it's a different time. When you count 2, it's a different time. When you count 3, it's a different time.
Yeah.
So here, whenever you call, I'm just simplifying the sutra first. Then I'll go in the vritti or the actual commentary. First, I'm trying to simplify this sutra because in English, at least you should understand what the sutra do.
Yeah.
Like Adiranten Sahita, I have given you the conclusion of Adiranten Sahita. We have to construct the pratyahara. So here, what exactly this sutra want to say? Like we say something, any alphabet we call this is A.
Yeah.
We count it in 1 second. Let's assume in 1 second.
Yes.
And if we are calling it A, it took 2 seconds around. And when we call A, it took 3 seconds. So that is called time. Time means kal. Kal and time both are the same thing. In Sanskrit, we say kal. In English, we say time. Kal. This kal is there na here. This kal.
Yes.
That is called time.
Yeah.
So, what Sutra want to say? This commentary. I am going to commentary. Uscha, uscha, uscha. See how I'm pronouncing. See.
Yes.
See in the book also, and see how I am pronouncing. First one is Uscha, second one is Uscha, third one is Uscha. Okay?
Yes.
So in first one I took only 1 second. For second one I took 2 seconds. For third one I took around 3 seconds.
Yes.
Just you assume like this. Vah Vam kala iva कालो वाम काल एव कालो यस्य सो अच क्रमाद हर्ष दीर्घ प्लुत संजह स्यात्. What exactly he is trying to say is a short u, then a long u, and further elongated u are together called va. Okay. Are together called va.
Oh, okay.
If we want to say that, if we want to denote all these three u, so we can denote it by va also. Okay, that is the first thing.
Waha.
Va, yeah,
Va.
yeah. Vaha, right, vaha. Yeah, right, vaha. So that is u, and u are together called vaha. Okay, that's what this first line is saying. Now let's come to the second line. This is what is this actually? This is some samasa. Okay, that you will learn later. That is called Itretar Dvanda Samasa. That is called Itretar Dvanda Samasa. This is samas. Just because of samas, it becomes as vah. So you don't need to worry about that. But the next thing is here actually Vam kala iv kalo yasha means if some ach means vowel. You know how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there?
30.
Vowels. 13 vowels.
Yeah.
In Vyakarana. 9 only.
9
only.
9.
A, E, U 3, Re, Re 5, A, O 7, I, O 9. 9 only. You got the point, na? 9 vowels are there. You are comfortable or not by this statement?
But you don't do A, E.
No, don't go to that one. I think you read some Hindi book. That's what you are influenced by that. Whatever written in Maheshwar Sutra and starting from A to Cha, that is called Ach, and these Ach can be also called as vowels or a swar.
But Guruji, just for clarification, when I check it, I go, although it says A, E, U, but for me that A, E, U represent A, E, U. No? Just say A, E, U. Which one is the right way?
Actually, you are mixing Hindi and Sanskrit both. You are mixing. See.
Sorry.
This is, we have the Maheshwar Sutra with us, and in Maheshwar Sutra we have this A, E, U, then Re, Re, then A, O, then I, O. How many are there?
A, E, U, 5 and 4, 9.
9. So these letters called vowels in your language?
In Sanskrit.
And also called ach. Because we have started from A to Cha. They are between from A to Cha, na? Ach. You got the point or not?
Yeah. Yes.
Why do we call them Ach?
Because they're vowels. And
No. Why do we call them Ach?
because it's
It's starting from A
and the cha. In the
and
Maha-
ending
Churani
is Cha.
cha.
We have done the Pratyahar here, na?
Yes.
The same concept.
Yeah.
So these are the vowels. Okay.
Okay.
So what exactly the sutra is trying to say?
Mhm.
It's trying to say is that the time of chanting, the time of pronouncing for any ach, for a, for e, for u, for re,
Anyone.
for any ach,
Mhm.
if it is equal to u, like we have chanted right now, u, equal to u,
Mhm.
respectively,
Yes.
respectively,
Mhm.
then they will call Harshva Dirgha Pluta.
Huh.
Like if you are chanting like a, like u, a only, that is called Harshva. And if you are taking more time, like 2 seconds, a, it's a Dirgha. And if you are calling a, taking 3 seconds, it is called Plut. Okay?
Yeah.
He has taken the Panini has taken the example of u. Panini has just taken the example of u. That is also a big story that I'll tell you later. Why he has taken only u? He could have taken a also as an example. He could have taken e also, re also, re also, a also, o also.
Yeah.
Anyway, what he want to say that a is harsh, a is dirgh, and a is
Plu.
plut. That's what. The same happened to e also. And when we write, it will be written like this. Let me tell you how to write them also. Like if you want to write harsh a, this is the harsh one a, okay? And if you want to write dirgh a, it will be like this. Okay? And when you want to write the plut one, you have to write in this way. This is the plut. You can note down in your book. This is the way. And if you want to write e also, it will e, and it will e is dirgh, and this e is plut. And later you can do it for u also. This is u harsh, this is u dirgh, and this is u plut. It will take around 1 second, around 1 second. It will take 2 seconds. It will take 3 seconds. I am mixing Sanskrit and English both.
You write the sutra wrong. The sutra number is 27, not 26.
27. That is 27. This is 27.
Oh, you write it in Sanskrit.
This one is English and this one is Sanskrit.
Yeah. Sorry, Guruji.
That's okay. You don't need to say sorry for every time. The thing is, you have to put lot of effort actually, because it required lot of attention.
Guruji, do we have to write that thing like a 6 in the bottom there?
Which
Near
one?
to the plut?
Plut is this one, no?
No, plut. Near to the a.
Yeah, it is a, it is e plut, it is u plut.
So this thing like this. Look at me. This thing like this.
Yeah.
That's the plut.
This is the plut. The whole. This is called the plut a. If somebody asks you, can you write plut a? You have to write this. Somebody asks, can you write plut e? You have to write this. Can you write plut u? It is like this.
Okay. Harshwa. Dirgha. Plu. again. O. E. 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 O. 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 So 1 second, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds. Okay. Thank you, Guruji. I got it.
Again, in last line of this commentary of the Okalozars the Pluth Sutra, commentary is pratyekam uddat adi bhedena tridha. Can you see that?
Now.
Sa pratyekam uddat adi bhedena tridha. Last line of this.
Haswa. Dirgha.
Sa. No, the last line of this sutra. Sa pratyekam uddat adi bhedena tridha. Last line. You got that line?
I got the line. It's right here.
Yeah. Can you pronounce this line?
It's pratya.
Sa pratyekam
Sapratekam
uddat adi.
mudatadi.
Sa pratyekam uddat adi.
Sapratekam
uddat adi bhedena.
Udatadi.
Bhedena tridha. I just break down this line. I'm just breaking down this line. You can write in your notebook for practice. I'm breaking it down. Size you can pronounce, so that's not a problem. And this one, this big one is pratyekam. I'm breaking it down, okay, for your age. Uddatadi, datadi, okay.
Yeah.
Bhedena. Tridha. You can pronounce it in this way. Now you can pronounce it.
Pratyekam adat
Uddatadi.
udatadi bedena trida.
Okay. So what exactly author want to say? Author is trying to say that these and individual has three kinds. This
Three lengths.
itself is three kinds of three types of This itself is also three. This itself is also three. Pratyekam means
Yes.
each. Each of these individual will be of three types.
Yes. Yes.
So how many it will become?
49.
9.
9 trees will be 27.
Because this will be 3, this will be 3, this will be 3. So it will become
27.
no 9.
Oh, that
This
one
is 3 type.
alone. Yes.
3, 3 and 3.
9. But then we have 9 vowel.
No, that you think later.
Okay.
You don't need to worry about that.
Okay.
You have to understand only that, and that Bheda would be Uddat, and what kind of that? Uddat, Anudat, like I have written there, na? See, this Uddat Adi. Uddat Adi means Uddat, Anudat, it's coming later actually. Uddat, Anudat and Samahar, Swarita. Swarita. Uddat, Anudat and Swarita. This will be 3 types: Uddat, Anudat and Swarit. This will be also like this. This will be also like this. Don't worry, I'll prepare the chart also. You don't need to worry about.
So Udat is the short one.
No.
The
For
first
Uddat definitions are coming now. Short one is Uddat also. Short one is Anudat also. Short one is Swarit also.
Oh,
Long one is Uddat also. Long one is Anudat also. Long one is Swarit also.
oh.
Prolonged is the longest one. It's Uddat also. It is Anudat also. It is Swarit also. You got the point?
Yeah.
That's what. Individual has 3 types now.
Each individual has
Each
three
individual
types.
has 3 types. That's what next sutra is coming actually. Next 3 sutra will be talking about this Uddat, Anudat and Swarit. What is this actually? They will talk about this.
Udat. Swarit.
Note it down.
Uh-huh.
Shall we proceed further?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Next sutra we are taking. You can see in your book. There is no need to write it on there. Uchchairi Uddattaha.
Uchchairudataha.
Uchchai Uddattaha.
Uchchai Udataha. It's a Ru, Guruji.
Yeah, Uchchai. Yeah, you can call that Uchchai Uddattaha. That also you can call.
Why you call it O?
I called Uchchair. First I call Uchchair, then I call Uddattaha.
You put the R over here.
And you have broken it down here. Uchchai. So you can broke. That's
Uchchair Udataha.
Initially you can do. Later once you will become a good Vyakaran, then you should know. Yeah. And the next one is Nichcheri Anudattaha. Nichchair Anudattaha.
Nichari Anudataha. Nichar Anurataha.
Nichchair Anudattaha.
Nichair Anurataha.
Next one is Samahara Swaritaha.
Samahara Saritaha.
These are the sutras actually coming in sequence 1 to 29, 1 to 30 and 1 to 31.
Uh-huh.
Okay, coming in the sequence. What exactly they want to say actually? The vowel which pronounced from the upper portion. I'll tell you which upper portion. First you listen. No? Okay, I'll tell what is upper portion. The vowel which is pronounced from the upper portion, that is called Uddattaha. And the vowel which is pronounced from the lower portion is called Anudattaha. And the vowel which is pronounced not from upper and not from lower, from the middle point of that is called Swaritaha.
Okay.
So what did you understand?
The upper is
Uddatta.
Udataha. The lower is Anudataha and the middle is Swarita.
Swarita. And now the question is, what is upper and what is lower? Okay. See, your teeth are there, na? Teeth.
Yeah.
And there is a skin near to teeth.
Uh-huh.
The skin. Backside here.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
We call it talu.
Talu. Huh.
Talu. Talvadis. So this is from this portion. From this, the upper part of this talu, if some vowel is pronounced from the upper part of this talu, then it is called Uddatta. And if it is pronounced from lower part of this talu, then it is called Anudatta. And if it is not from upper and not from lower, then it is Swarita. That's what these all 3 sutras want to say.
So now, when if when you say upper, mean my upper talu up here, and when it's bottom, it's like in the here.
Not here, there only. Talu is only upper only.
But then you say, okay,
Here also some upper and lower
yeah,
part.
they palatal,
Hmm.
yeah, top and bottom, okay, and middle, okay. Okay, Guruji.
So these are the three things: Uddatta, Anudatta, and Swarita. Swarita means it will be having both the properties of Uddat and Anudatta. Okay,
Yeah.
because it will be in middle, so it will have this vowel will have a Uddatta property and Anudatta property also.
Yeah.
So do practice for Pratyahar and try to memorize this sutra also till Samahara Swarita. At least you should know the sutra. If you are not able to do the commentary of that, at least you should memorize that sutra. And when I ask, okay, tell me the sutra, then you should start with Halantyam Adarshanam Lopaha Tasya Lopaha Adirantena Sahita Ukalo Jarjasti Pluta, like this. Uche Uddata Niche Anudatta Samahara Swarita. At least you should do. This is the minimum one. I'm not asking to memorize the commentary also, although students should
Memorize the commentary.
memorize commentary also. But if in the initial phase you are not able to memorize the commentary, at least you should do the things
So-
and the implementation also, the sutra implementation also.
So
That
then
implementation
I
of sutra, you know, no, that pratyahar construction and all. These are the implementation things. If you are not able to do those implementation things, then it will become a problem for you.
So I should know the list of the sutras like Halantam, Darshanam Lopaha. Like
In
that?
the same sequence, what sequence Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi is using?
Okay. Tasya Lopaha.
Tasya lopaha adirantena sahitaha vokalo dharshudipplutah uchchairiyuddattah nichairiyunudattah samahara swaritah.
Okay.
Because tomorrow we are going to use some other implementation, and that will also have a big exercise for you. So before going further, at least you should well verse with the pratyahara,
Yeah.
because tomorrow again some exercise would be there.
Okay, because we do up to 227 today. 1, 2, 2, 7.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Guruji, what's a parachera? What's a parachera?